Hello everyone, now we show you the welding application of LD20-P4500 ultrasonic wire harness terminal welding machine. The ultrasonic wire harness terminal welding machine uses high-frequency vibration to achieve tight, lossless, and pollution-free welding of wire harnesses and terminals. After welding, the conductivity is good, the solder joints are bright without spatter, the terminals are firm and do not crack, and the welding pull force is strong. Quick and easy operation, no flux, gas or solder required. Suitable for welding wire harnesses with large wire diameters is less than or equal to 70 square millimeter, including wire harnesses and terminals, braided wires and copper terminals, as well as thicker and larger metal area welding applications such as copper sheets and aluminum sheets. It is widely used in new energy vehicles, electronic appliances, motors, communication equipment, mechanical equipment, instrumentation, and other fields. Learn more, please follow me.